Hi guys, so I'm back. Like nobody noticed. Anyway, so today's video I wanted to do more like a Ariana Grande boyfriend makeup inspired look. I was watching her video. I think it was like trending maybe like a couple of days ago on YouTube. I saw the music video and like the whole time I was like, wow, I really like her makeup. I was like, I wonder if I could do that. And then I'm like, well, maybe I can film it. Like that's gonna be my first video to like get back on it. When I saw Ariana Grande's video, I really liked her makeup, so I was like playing around trying to see if I can recreate it. And for that I did use my James Charles palette. But yeah, I really liked it. It's very simple, it's very wearable. The only thing that I had a hard time with is the hair, just because like where am I gonna get long ass hair extensions? And you'll see that at the beginning of the video. I did have the split with the bangs to the side. It just didn't look good on me, so eventually I just took them off and put my hair up. So that's why my ponytail's a little messy right now. So yeah, stay tuned if you guys want to see how I create this look by Ariana Grande, boyfriend inspired. Okay, so for this whole look I am going to be using the James Charles palette. So the first color that I'm going to use is this one right here. I don't remember the name. It could be Canvas, but this one right here. And I'm just going to use that one just to set my concealer. Okay, so the next color I'm going to be using, I'm going to mix this one right here and I'm going to mix it with this one. So I'm taking this small Lakey mini angled brush and I'm gonna apply that just on the outer corner. Concentrate the color on the outer corner. Just like that. So you just want to get a fluffy brush and just blend it out, but do not bring it like all the way over here. Just keep it to like right here. So for the next color, it is supposed to be kind of like a very light matte blue, but as you can see we don't have a matte blue. It would like this would be perfect, but this one right here is shimmer. So I'm gonna take this white and mix in a little bit of this blue just to kind of give me like this very pale blue. So I forgot to mention, but I am using this flat brush from, I think it came in one of my Urban Decay palettes. And I mean, honestly, that's pretty much it. Just make sure everything is blended. I think it's very easy and it's like a pop of color without being too much. And it's weird because I usually don't like wearing blue, but I actually really like this look. I'm gonna go in with an eyeliner. This is the liquid eyeliner from Wet n Wild. Okay guys, so that's pretty much it for the eyes. I put eyelashes. For my foundation I am going to be using Wet n Wild. For my concealer I'm just going to be using this Instant Age Rewind by Maybelline. To set my concealer and to set my face, I'm going to use Pretty Vulgar. This is just their matte powder. So I'm not going to bake. I'm just going to like pat it in. I'm just going to take a brush and just a fluffy brush and just brush it all around my face. And if you guys notice the lighting change, it's because I'm using natural lighting. So sorry about that. Now that I set my face, I'm gonna take this Hoola bronzer and I'm gonna use this small round brush. This is by Crown. And then taking whatever's left, I'm gonna go in and apply that on my nose. I would do this when I don't want a very sharp nose contour. Then taking a bigger, fluffier brush. This is again from Crown. I'm just gonna go in and just blend. Okay, now to finish up the eyes, I'm gonna be using this brown again, and I'm gonna apply that right underneath, right here in my lower eyelash. Is that what it's called? And I'm just gonna blend it out using this pencil brush. This is again by Crown. Then I'm gonna use this black eyeliner. This is Lord and Berry, and I'm gonna use that to line my waterline. It does look like she has a very matte face except for her highlight. And her contour is obviously matte. Her blush looks like she's not even wearing any. So I'm going to be using this blush by Studio Makeup. And this is a very matte blush. And this is in the shade Wildflower. For my highlight, I'm going to be using Pretty Vulgar. This is a very bronzy highlight, which is perfect. That was the look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and catch me next Thursday.